Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Little Sprout. My name is Dion. I would like to apologize firsthand that I have to turn off my audio, mainly because when I filmed this video, it was Sunday, and pretty much all of my neighbors are cutting their grasses, so there's a lot of background noise. So today is I am harvesting my brassicas, which is broccoli, and also I am going to harvest my cauliflower. So the broccoli that I am harvesting right now is called a Green Magic from West Coast Seed, Canada, and the cauliflower is Synergy, and I believe it's from the West Coast, Canada as well. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually my first year being successful harvesting or having a big head of cauliflower and broccoli. What I did this year different is I put a lot of compost and also organic fertilizer, which is I think it was bone meal. So they are really heavy feeder, so I have to amend every 2 weeks a little bit here and there. And also both of these varieties are great because you can harvest them super early. I believe they're like 65 days and I already have a harvest, as you can see. So I'm really happy with this result for these varieties. So I am just going on the other side and trying to figure out if the other head of broccoli or cauliflower is ready for harvest. And what you're seeing right now is my garlic patch. It is time for me to harvest garlic scapes. And as a nation, we do stir fry. Sometimes I make pesto or dry it in the oven. So these are all my overall harvest for today. I hope you enjoy my video. Please hit like and subscribe. Until next time, happy gardening!